This video is all about the summary of Module 13. Remote, remote workers, small branches, office, and home networks often use a wireless router, which typically include a switch for wired clients, a port for an internet connection, sometimes labeled WAN, and wireless components for wireless clients access. Most wireless routers are pre-configured to be connected to the network and provide services. The wireless router uses DHCP to automatically provide addressing information to connected devices. Your first priority should be to change the username and password of your wireless router. Use your router's interface to complete basic network and wireless setup. If you want to extend the range beyond approximately 45 meters indoors and 90 meters outdoors, you can add wireless access points, and the router will use a process called Network Address Translation or NAT to convert private IPv4 addresses to Internet routable IPv4 addresses. By configuring QoS, you can guarantee that certain traffic types, such as voice and video, are prioritized over traffic that is not a time sensitive, such as email and web browsing. Lightweight APs or LAPs use the Lightweight Access Point Protocol or LWAPP to communicate with, with a WLAN controller or WLC. Configuring a wireless LAN controller or WLC is similar to configuring a wireless router, except that a WLC controls APs and provides more services and management capabilities. Use the WLC interface to view an overall picture of the AP system information and performance. To access advanced settings and to configure a LAN, SNMP is used to monitor the network. The WLC is set to forward all SNMP long messages called traps to the SNMP server. For WLAN user authentication, a Radius server is used for authentication, accounting, and auditing, or AAA services. Individual user access can be tracked and audited. Use the WLC interface to configure SNMP server and Radius server information. VLAN interface, DHCP scope, and WPA2 enterprise LAN. There are 6 steps to the troubleshooting process. When troubleshooting a WLAN, a process of elimination is recommended. Common problems are: first, no connectivity and poorly performing wireless connection when the PC is operational. To optimize and increase the bandwidth of 802.11 dual band routers and APs, either upgrade your wireless clients or split the traffic. Most wireless routers and APs offer upgradable firmware. Firmware releases may contain fixes or common problems reported by customers as well as security Vulnerabilities. You should periodically check the router or AP for update firmware. And that's all for the summary of Module 13.